Have you ever considered how the development of advanced infrastructure in Indonesia aligning with Islamic principle of justice, balance, responsible stewardship, and also paving the way for the future marked by prosperity, inclusivity, and also the environmental stability? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear listener, welcome to another episode of Yahya's Research. Today, we will embark a profound exploration into an Islamic perspective on the vital role of advanced infrastructure for Indonesia. In the vast archipelago of Indonesia, where over 50% of 250 million inhabitants residing in urban areas, the need for progress is really evident. The Quran teaches us that economic development and prosperity are not only permissible but encouraged, providing it is pursued with the justice, compassion, and also the mindful stewardship of the earth. As the government of Indonesia committing to the substantial increase in infrastructure funding, it aligning with the Islamic principle of stewardship, khalifah, and also the social justice, the adil. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, emphasized the importance of proper planning and also the foresight in building a prosperous and a sustainable community. Priority projects that are expanding from the airport revitalization to the mass rapid transit, it resonates with the Islamic ideals of improving the lives of the people, enhancing accessibility, and also fostering the community well-being. In the Quran, Allah encouraged the believer to seek the knowledge and engage in activities that bring about collective welfare. However, guys, Islam places a significant emphasis on the balance, mizan, and also the responsibility amanah. Not all the infrastructure projects are equal, and their impact on the environmental and society must be weighed carefully. This aligns with the Islamic principle of stewardship where humanity is entrusted with the care of the earth and its resources. Sustainable infrastructure becomes a manifestation of Islamic values when it aligns with the Quranic injunctions to act stewards of the earth and to seek the sustenance in a manner that does not harm the environment. It is a means to fulfill the prophetic guidance of leaving behind a legacy of goodness for the future generation. Renewable energy, then, this is a key component of sustainable infrastructure. It resonates with the Islamic ethic of moderation and gratitude. Utilizing the abundant blessing of the solar, wind, and geothermal sources echoes with the Quranic teaching of using resources wisely and avoiding excess. The concept of green bonds finds resonance in Islamic financial principles of ethical investment. Indonesia's issuance of a sovereign green bond reflecting a commitment of financial practice that aligns with the values of justice, transparency, and sustainability upheld in Islam. Furthermore, the introduction of environmental, societal, and the governance ESG standards in the financial sectors is mirroring the Islamic emphasis on the ethical conduct in business transactions. Islam encouraging a fair and ethical economic practice that contribute to the welfare of the society. So, dear listeners, as Indonesia strives toward the more advanced infrastructure, let us remember that the Islamic value that guide this journey, the Quran and the teaching of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, finding us a moral compass for more sustainable development, calling for justice, balance, and also the responsible stewardship. May this endeavor lead to a future where prosperity, inclusivity, and also the environmental sustainability coexist together in accordance with the timelines teaching of the Islam. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening episode, especially for me in the Yahya's research. See you next time, guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.